today's May the 30th at 1:41. They just delivered Mom's. Hey, Mom. They just delivered Mom's new.
So what do you think, Mom?
Oh, from Enrique and Jonah, they just delivered Mom's beautiful fridge.
Jonah, open it.
Open it. Oh.
Down 3-0.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can fit all the vegetables and meats in there now. Wow, that's very nice.
Well, we have to put the shelves in there.
Yeah. Okay, and then the other one over there. That's good. Oh, lots of vegetables. Now you can fit all the vegetables and extra meats in there.
So, Mom, what do you think, Enrique and Jonah?
Oh, yeah.
The fridge is already here. Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
It is so big, very big.
Yeah, very beautiful. Thanks a lot, buddies.
Very beautiful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Enrique, Jonah. Thanks a lot.
Fridge for my birthday.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Birthday, Christmas.
Birthday, Christmas, and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, buddy. Thanks a lot, guys. Enrique, Jonah.
Yeah, thanks a lot, buddy. Okay, we love you guys. Thanks a lot. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's so big inside. Yeah. Wow, all the vegetables and meats will go to its proper place. Gerald cleaning out the new fridge. We got this fridge, temperament, hey guys? It's not temperament, right? Just cleaning it right now, so. Nice vegetables will go. Got this brand new fridge from Enrique. Thank you, Enrique. Mom is happy, and Jonah, Enrique and Jonah. And then, guys, Mom is very happy. Just gotta keep it clean though. Yep. The fridge. They're gonna attach this hose to the sink, to the old sink. Over there. And instructions are right here, so we're gonna just see the instructions and just follow the instructions, but it should be pretty easy. And we'll go through here. We'll take out the old one. And we'll have to go plug it through the hole. But
You're so happy at this.
don't have to worry about it.
Your friend is to them and they're happy.
Yeah.
This week is so very useful. Why not?
You know what? I'm gonna reuse this thing. Yeah.
Push it halfway.
Halfway, yeah.
Take a look at it.
Yeah.
We have to be part of that.
Oh yeah. Very happy. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm really glad that we moved to this house. Yeah. The black guy goes, first time I've got delivery. Yeah. Yeah. No. Your brother ordered, no. Listen, you don't take out the piss. Oh, okay. We don't want any customers.
Five and
That's why I said, wow.
to them was like you made sure it was easy for them.
Yeah.
So it's like boom. Nothing to move except just the appliances. The little tables.
One guy goes, wow, look at the space. He goes, whoa, this is great.
You have to move no tables or nothing.
Yeah. She said, other homes you have to go to. Yeah, we have to move it. How many more? Is that the last one? Holy cow! It's like he taped up the whole fridge. It's like a workout itself. Okay, Joe's finishing up the last tape there. Holy mackerel!
Careful, because they want something easy.
You sent the video to Enrique. Did he see it? Did he see it?
We just send it. Just record it.
Okay, cool.
Yo, that's what you down. This is my children. Oh, my wife. Oh, you got a nice brand new refrigerator.
Compliment for Jonah and Enrique.
Yeah.
Thank nice.
Yeah. And then Dad said, but in heaven, you won't need that shit in heaven, don't worry. You won't need refrigerators here in heaven.
You happy about the fridge, Mom?
Yeah. Kasi wala akong problema pa itong fridge. Kutumisya ko itong fridge yung tao.
Yeah.
Hindi na
terrible.
abli sa kuhan, kabor sa
And they
ulo.
got bricks.
Yeah.
Hindi na
Mom-
abli, hindi ko po sa
Mom's happy. That's good. She's a little sick right now still. She still has a little bit of that cough like I do.
So the meat go
But anyway.
at the bottom here, over there on the left, right?
At the bottom here.
Or the bottom. Bro, this, okay, yeah. So the meat's going to freezer part, obviously.
Yeah, this is the freezer.
Oh, it's always on the left side, okay.
Not all the meat, just the bottom
Not
here
all the
too.
meat.
The bottom.
The meat that you're going to use this week. Oh.
Fruits and vegetables. And
Okay.
this is the deli meats. The deli meats, you know,
Okay.
yeah. Bologna's, ham, sandwich.
Okay, I'll get. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so now they're putting in start putting in all the food, which is outside. I don't know. Oh, hold on.
Marang na dyan isa.
Yeah. What fruit? Here.
Nung tatlo katin ko. Ay,
Put it here.
Yeah. Not in the door.
You know us, we like to overfill things, so. Who knows?
Wow. Stuff here. Let's see. Put on top of here.
This is supposed to be Filipino.
Medicines.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, the stuff you don't need.
Ano mga mit, isura ko ng kwan. Phone.
Stuff you don't need. Throw away.
Ay, doon na babaw na.
Well, throw it in the bag. Put it in the bag, Glenn, and then throw it later on.
Sleep in there. I'll throw it slowly, solid.
Much garbage.
So you're putting all the medicines in one area, Joe? All the medicines? Joe's putting all the medicines in there, on the right place, so Mom's all the medicines. Andy? What's up, buddy?
Put it back here.
There's Mom.
Throw it there.
Alright, so get ready to put all the stuff, filled up the the fridge back in again.
Leave that thing
Nice
down. Don't
and,
touch that. Don't put it even in there because I don't want
Nice and neat with the vegetables and the oranges and the fruits. So everything's organized. Good.
downstairs and the fridge downstairs. The
Clean
garage.
fridge is a happy fridge, a happy home.
Yeah, okay. I'm at home, shit.
Hey, Mom.
Know that shit.
Mom having her delicious
I'm at home.
her medication slash antibiotic slash fruits, homemade antibiotics. We made that up with what's that thing called? That
Orange.
yeah. But what's
Orange, lemon.
lemon, and ginger?
Ginger.
Yeah, with the machine, right? With the
With the processor.
processor.
Yeah.
There we go. Milk. There.
There's
There's the milk.
What is this? Oh, this is disgusting. It's what am I touching?
It's disgusting.
Gross. And Mike goes, come on, Kuya, you gotta help me out, man. He goes, I can't do it by myself. What is this? I'm touching bodily liquids.
This stuff here is all garbage.
And he goes, Mom, what is this? Oh, this is a long time ago. Oh, no kidding.
This is literally what the freezer.
I said, bro.
For now,
Okay, so we're gonna go outside. Or the old fridges in the garage. So, I've had this fridge for like what, 30 years or something like that. So I'll get I'll fix it up. This is just for temporary right now. Plug it in. Okay, let's see how this works. Plugged in for temporary until I move some shelves. Plug it in, buddy. Plug it in. Yep.
Bottom or the top?
Doesn't matter. Oh, at the bottom, very bottom.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Now it's on. Look at that. It looks like the Star Wars Death Star. Oh my god, that's a very nice looking one.
You put downstairs in the freezer. Just shove it in the freezer area.
Open it, open it. Oh wow, it's good. Very nice and neat, guys.
Oh shit.
It's good. Right, this is what it looks like. Take a little video. Putting it nice and neat. So far it looks absolutely fantastic. Good job, you're doing a really good job. Keep it up, keep it up. Doing a good job. Clean. That's how we do it. Order, nice and clean. Alright, Mom, we got the refrigerator is now full. Not full, but it's now organized and Mom is happy, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Alright. That's good.
Very happy na ito.
Okay, now it's organized, guys. So there you go. Okay, turn around and say and
turn around
and smile.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, price is right.
You happy now, Mom?
Yeah, I'm happy. Look at that. It's not loaded anymore.
Yeah.
So spacious.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Open up the door. Open up the door.
The fridge have their own, the freezer their own place. And the
Yeah.
fridge.
Nice and neat. All right. Mom is happy. Yep.
Wow.
Looks like on stage.
All right.
On stage. Look on stage.
Say it again.
Jonah, Johan, thank you very much for your gift.
Yeah.
You make me happy. Even if my birthday is not coming.
Very nice. Okay, Mom.
But
Beautiful.
make sure you will come back here because we're balit soon.
Yeah, and who's gonna do it? Jonah.
Okay. Yeah.
Jonah will be able to do it soon.
Okay.
Yeah.